Hey guys, here we've got this doorknob for your closets and hallway doors. So this is what it looks like, both ends. And as you can see, it's got this nice Camelot trim around it. I think it looks super elegant if you're trying to look to really upgrade your doorknobs. I love this option. I have it in this gorgeous matte black, but you could also find it in a brass finish if that's a little bit more the style that you're looking for. And then they do provide you with all of the little tools that you need to get it assembled, as well as a easy to follow instruction manual. So if you're looking for a nice little upgrade to the doorknobs that you already have, I would definitely go ahead and grab a pack of these. You can get them in 6 packs if that's what you're looking for, but I think it really just elevates the style of your home and kind of adds a more finished touch to your doorways. So there you go.